Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Honor X7a does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is on the bottom right here. That's a main speaker. Next is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker. To determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If both of them work and the sound is coming out from them, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from one source, and that means this phone doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.